southeast Nebraska, but clouds are going to overspread some of the western parts of the state going into today. Actually going to experience mostly sunny skies with some clouds mixing in later, but really it's going to be north and eastern areas that are going to see more of the cloud cover as more of this cold air starts to settle in across the state going into the day today. Again, we push forward in time, those clouds start to clear out. We'll have some clearing skies into Tuesday before clouds start to overcome the state going into Wednesday ahead of our next storm system. And as we fast forward, let's look at how the timing of the system tracks. We'll see snow start to form in the eastern portions of the state by later morning hours and then really start to get going along the Missouri River around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, scattered chances across the state. And then as we push forward in the afternoon, another band starts to settle in along the southern line of Nebraska, start to push in towards Lincoln and southeast Nebraska by the later evening hours. That's where we're expecting to see some of our higher snow rates going into the evening. It could be light and fluffy stuff with some of the moisture content with some of this, and with our winds expected on the back end of this storm, that's when some visibilities are likely to reduce and we're going to see very cold temperatures out of this system. But in terms of accumulation going forward, we're going to likely see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, maybe some pockets of 6+ in some areas. Again, with storms like this, it's easier for dry air to get sucked in and not a lot of moisture with some of these colder systems. But wind chills anywhere from 30 to 40, even 50 and 60 degrees below zero by Thursday morning. That's going to be our coldest day going forward. But for now, temperatures are going to be struggling to make it into the teens today. Again, a mix of sun and clouds and light north winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour before we start to get into a more active period Wednesday into Thursday. That snow likely to start right around Wednesday afternoon. Highs right around 27 degrees, but then we really drop off with those winds and the snow and the cold potential. -3 for a high on Thursday, 0 by Friday. Some of those morning lows, very brutal too. 15 below zero likely by Thursday morning into Friday morning. And then again, we'll start to rebound by next week. Hopefully getting back to temperatures right around freezing. We'll be hoping for that from after this week.
All right, thank you very much, Jessica. Well, are we shocked? Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You setting trendings across the holidays.